Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have two seats. I received two seats from Giddy brand to compare to Jetson Bolt Pro, to show you the difference and maybe go for a ride actually to try them out as well. So all those are unpackaged, they come in plastic bags like that. Some comes in paper, but this one is plastic, no problem at all. So easy to open. And let's see what is inside here. So it comes with the tools. Okay, and it should be very easy to replace it. It comes with the tools, and also it comes with a visible tape. I'm not sure why you put it on, but we'll check it out. And let's see this seat first. It should be a really nice seat. It comes with a cover actually, so you can use this for outdoor. So it will not get dusty. It's good. So it comes with a cover, and that's a seat. Over here probably instruction how to install it, or maybe just a tag. Okay, just a tag. Okay, you don't need it, but it does come with a light. And it can probably go 1 mode, 2 mode, and 3 mode, and 2 mode. So it has 3 mode of blinking. It does have probably battery inside over here, so it will not last forever. So you'd have to change the battery once in a while. Looks like it's a softer seat, but I'm gonna do unpackage the other one as well, so we can compare them. And this is a bigger seat from the same company. It also comes with the same tools, looks like, but with this seat it has a cable, so most likely the light is rechargeable, which is much better. I like when it's rechargeable battery, so you don't have to buy a battery every time the battery went bad. Okay, so let's check it out. It also comes with a cover, which is very useful. When you are not riding the bike, you can use the cover, so it will not get dusty or bad under the sun. So it will give you good protection. And yes, it's from Giddy. And it's kind of a huge seat. Looks like it's a kind of a unique design. I wonder how it feels riding this one. It's a little bit soft over here, but it does come with a light. Also with a tag over here and instruction, most likely how to mount this bike. So this seat has more information, I guess, which it's about the same mounting as any other seat you're gonna get. So there should be no difference much, but let's see how the light will work. So you just press it, button, it will light 1 mode, blinking mode, trap mode. That's it. So also 3 modes. But you'll find a port over here, so you can connect your cable and charge it. It does not come with a block, so you would have to connect to your existing block from your phone or to desktop or computer, like as you're charging your phone. Let's see the difference. Okay, yes, this one is only battery operated and this one rechargeable. So, and here's the difference in size, and I'll show you as well a difference compared to Jetson Bolt Pro, because it's one of the popular bike, but the seat is not as comfortable. And I noticed the latest models, I think, or is it just me, came with not the comfortable seats at all. I don't like the seats anymore. I used to be okay with that, but after trying so much comfortable seats, to go back to this seat, it's kind of uncomfortable. So as you can see, it's exactly the same mounting over here. So you would take your existing seat post, remove it from Jetson Bolt Pro, and just insert it over here. And then you use this tool to tighten up. You will do the same thing with with this seat or this seat, whatever you decide. Also, you can move the seat closer or further from your handlebar. Same thing over here. And of course, Adjustable Pro. They're about the same type of seats, but you get more comfortability on this seat, looks like. Alright, so I installed the new seat by Giddy up on the Jetson Pro, because the original one, it's made good quality, but it's kind of firm, and I want you to show the difference. It's a little bit bigger, the Giddy up bigger, also with some ventilation, and of course you can see the difference in light. I'm gonna go right now for a ride and to see actually is there any much difference in feeling, which might be not. So let's check it out. So far I can feel a little bit difference, but not a lot. And to know exactly the result, you would have to ride about, let's say, 20 minutes to figure out. It's a little bit softer, but I do not feel much like suspension on it. There is no much difference between Jetson Pro seat to this one. Just a little bit, maybe like about 10 to 15% difference. As suspension, I don't really feel it with my weight on. So I'm gonna switch the seats and see if I can feel better on the different one, okay? Alright, so now I install the new one. Giddy up for big butt, I guess, compared to Jetson Pro seat, which is I can tell you that it's Jetson Pro, it's not bad seat. I never said it's bad, but it's a little bit firm and it's smaller, so depend on your preference, of course. But this one looks big, and I hope it will give me good impression, so I will be happy to ride this bike with the seat on, and I'm gonna go for a ride and I'll tell you if it worth to switch. As you can see, the size difference about the same length, but you can have wings on the side to support your butt. So this bigger seat for bigger butt, I guess, and I always want to try it actually because I want to see what's the difference. And now I can feel, definitely I can feel the difference. It's wider. I can feel it's wider, so it gave me better support from like a chair. Feels like a chair sitting, like it's wider. So I've never felt like the same way as you sit on the bike seat. Okay, so it's good for straight up position riding the bike with the seat. As suspension under the seat, I did not feel any difference between all the three seats as suspension wise, but I do feel this seat, it's much wider, more comfortable ride for longer distance. Most likely I only rode like just a little bit, so I cannot really tell you 100%, but from my experience I think it's the best out of three of them if you want something for longer distance ride and just like cruising around. And that's about it. You guys decide. But out of all the three, I think this big seat, it has it gives you a little bit side support. So mostly if you are a little bit overweight, and it's great seat. I would not use this for some kind of bike which you're going off-road or so, like road bike. It would not be a really good idea, but for Jetson Pro it should work pretty well. It's not really caution, like I don't feel any support. So you may want also to check the link in description for the suspension seat post, the one I tested before, which really gives you a big difference when you're riding the bike. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.